Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete all your templates on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application which is Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, what we will do is now compile a new email. We're going to Home, New Email. And then you would choose a recipient, choose your subject, compile the whole email, and then click on Send. In this tutorial, let's just click on View Templates. And now, in order to remove a template, just go to the bin sign where we can delete template. That template has been deleted. So has that one, so is the next one, and so has the created one that we created in the previous tutorials. These templates are no longer available. So let's just now go into the email where we will compile the email. We cannot choose from any templates. We would have to now create a template. So let's just send an email to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Double click on this to confirm that it is being sent to the Gmail account. Let's just say, Dear CSV, this is not a template. Kind regards. Go to signature, admin update. Yes, that's fine. Yes. We can now select the subject. Let's just say not a template. Click on send. And that email itself has been sent. Minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, go to Gmail. And now let's click on that email that we have received. Dear CSV, this is not a template. Kind regards, admin. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.